Uh, so our washing machine is stuck for 2 days. This door is not opening because it's locked by the machine, and you can see even this. I see some water standing in there, so it's not working. What I've got to know is switch has gone bad. I'll have to get it done, but every time you don't have to change it. So it's a polycap switch, modular switchboard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and open it and see if we can fix it. Be very careful with electricity. So I see this must be the live wire and this is going to the socket. So I'm gonna remove these two things. Then we're gonna have a look. So I've undone the wires. All I have to do now is, you see these clips here? So I'll just put my flathead screwdriver. It's difficult to shoot with one hand. Yeah, here. Put my screwdriver here, give it a little push, and at the same time I'll push it from the inside out. The switch should come right off. Let me just keep the phone aside. I'll just pop this out and we'll go from there. So here I have the switch. This one is from Polycab as well. You see these little nubbits here. So all we have to do is put the screwdriver here and this thing, a little twist like this, and it will come out. Same from the other side. I think I can just do it with my hand as well. So I popped one clip out. I have to do the same on this side. Yeah. Oh, now this one is locked. Yeah. Okay, so we'll check for a couple of things. One is, at times I've seen this plastic nib, this melts or breaks, but I think this one is just fine. I'll just pull it out a little. Yeah, so this, yeah, I'll just stretch the spring out just a little bit. And we'll put it back with this plastic nib, and then inside there is this, okay, let this focus. Yeah, there's that copper or brass, whatever it is, this thing. So do you see how it's bent up a little? Just the last part. I think that's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem. It's bent up a little. The tip of this strip. So I'm just going to straighten it out. You can use a plier. I'm doing that against the, yeah, I did it against my shed. Okay, so can you see how it's flattened now? Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, here comes the tricky part. So we have to put it back in. The fat side should be down, and we have to make it sit on that ridge. I have a plucker or a forceps kind of a thing downstairs, but let me try to do it. Let me see. Okay, so I just threw it in there and then adjusted it with my flathead screwdriver. So I'm think that's perfect. We want it to sit exactly there with the flat side facing down. And next piece is, you see this little point, this triangle protruding up. There's a similar triangle on the switch body as well, this one. So we'll just align it and push it in. Just as new. Let's take it for a test run, and you can check it with the multimeter as well and check if the connectivity is working fine. Otherwise, I'm just gonna plug in the live wire and see if the switch is working. So in this point, I don't see current. Okay, it's there. And this one, I think it's turned off. I'll turn it on, and mission successful. I'm not getting a new switch today. So I just put the bias back together. Live one goes in there, one wire to the socket. And before I be very careful with live wires, but before I am screwing back the switchboard, I'm just gonna make a quick test run and see if I'm able to turn on the washing machine. Oh, it was already on. And let's see. Hello indeed. Oh, it stinks. I'm gonna turn on the drum clean and we're good to go. I'm just gonna screw this back in, turn it off, screw it back in, plug it back in. But it seems we are not getting a new switch today. I made the old one work. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.